Right, what we're going to do now is create a basic table in Access. Now I'm going to use a number of different fields, and I'm going to use a lookup wizard. So the first thing I'm going to do is create my database. So the first thing I do is go to File, then I go to New, and then over on the right here I click Blank Database. Now I'll give my database a name. Now I'm going to do a CD shop here. So I type in CD shop and I click on Create. And this opens the basic database window in Access. Now the first thing I'm going to do, as I mentioned, is create a table. So the first thing you do is click on Tables and then New. Now you want Design View here, so I'm going to set all the fields in the table to start. I go to OK. Now the first thing I'm going to do is give a CD number, because every CD needs a stock number. I'm going to set that as auto number. Now I'm going to now set that as a primary key. Now what that means is that the number of the CDs, the CD number, will never be the same more than once. Every number will be unique. Now next I put in CD name, then I give the band or the artist, and I'm going to leave these as text. Next I'm going to give the price. I'm going to leave that as a currency field, and finally I'm going to put single or double CD. Now here I'm going to use a lookup wizard to give me a choice of a single or double option. So you've got a lookup wizard. In the options that come up now, you'll see you get these two options. I will type in the values I want, go to next, and in the top value you put in single, in the bottom value you put in double, and then skip everything, just go to finish. And now notice that's gone back to text. The lookup down here will show you the single and double values, but obviously because single and double are text, it still appears as text here. Now my final act is to close the database and save it. With regard to setup, yes to save changes, you give it an appropriate name, so T for table, and then stock, and then click on OK. And now if I open my table, you'll see it's ready to accept data. So I can start putting data in. And we're done.